Hi everyone, it's David here at DigiTrains. I hope you're all well. John G and John D have been busy working on converting some of our most popular Zimo files to the ESU format for the first time, which allows us to offer a greater decoder choice for our customers. This time is our popular Class 33 Proto Drive sound project. Well, thank you for watching. As always, if you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting sound or non-sound decoders installed in your locos, please get in touch with our workshop team, either via email, johng@digitrains.co.uk, or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.